top 10 best ceiling fans. The 10 best ceiling fans in present time. We are going to check out 10 best ceiling fans quality this year. This list is my personal opinion. I tried to list this best product on their price, quality, durability and many more. Number 1, Honeywell Ceiling Fans 50600-01 Ocean Breeze Contemporary, 30 inches LED frosted light, price, $69.97 and free returns. Electric fan design ceiling fan, power source corded electric, room type kitchen, bedroom, brand Honeywell ceiling fans, color white. Number 2, Portage Bay 50251 Hugger 52 inches matte black West Hill ceiling fan with bowl light kit, price, $76.86 and free returns. Low ceilings? No problem, the ceiling fan measures 11.5 inches from ceiling to bottom of light fixture, light, frosted cased white light kit with 1 E26 per R15 bulb. Dimmable 100% to 10% and 600 lumens, 200-degree beam angle. Number 3, Hunter Fan Company 53236 Hunter Builder Plus Indoor Ceiling Fan with lights and pole chain control, price, $99.99 and free returns. Room type living room, bedroom, brand Hunter Fan Company, mounting type ceiling, downward, indoor outdoor usage indoor, style traditional. Number 4, Hunter Cassius Indoor/Outdoor Ceiling Fan with Pole Chain Control, 52 inches, matte black, price, $129.99. Rustic Ceiling Fan, the industrial Cassius fan comes with gray walnut stripe reversible blades that will keep home interior current and inspired. Measures 52x 11 inch. Number 5, Harbor Breeze Mazon 44-inch brushed nickel flush mount indoor ceiling fan with light kit and remote, price, $137.49. Brand Harbor Breeze, mounting type flush mount, flush, indoor outdoor usage indoor, style modern. Number 6, Honeywell Ceiling Fans 50614-01 Carnegie LED Ceiling Fan 52 inches, indoor, rustic Barnwood blades, price, $143.99 and free returns. Brand Honeywell Ceiling Fan, dual finish reversible blades, the style is up to you. The ceiling fan comes with a different finish on each sides of the blades. Pick the finish that best fits your space. Number 7, Hunter Dempsey Indoor Low Profile Ceiling Fan with LED light and remote control, price, $149.99. Brand Hunter, style ceiling fan, electric fan design ceiling fan, power source AC, special feature perfect for deliberate illumination. Number 8, Riga 52-inch silver ceiling fan with dimmable LED light kit remote control modern blades reversible DC motor, price, $184.41 and free returns. Silicon steel DC motor, silent motor brings comfortable sleeping, creating a quiet living environment, consistent strong power supply, fully enclosed design. Number 9, Hunter Fan Company 59,242 Hunter 52 inches Dempsey Indoor Low Profile Ceiling Fan with Light, price, $199.99 and free returns. Room type living room, bedroom, brand Hunter Fan Company, mounting type ceiling mount, indoor-outdoor usage indoor. Number 10, Honeywell Ceiling Fans 51,473-01 Xerxes Ceiling Fan, 62, Matte Black, price, $299.98 and free returns. Brand Honeywell Ceiling Fans, indoor-outdoor usage indoor, style contemporary, special feature remote control, room type bedroom. Check out the description link for more information and latest price.